Hi, Charlie. Hi, Kitty. Hey, Kitty. What are you doing, Charles? I can't sleep because I feel crappy and sick. I saw one of these going down the street, and I was stunned how big it was. Ugh, I've been up all night. I feel sick. Anyways, I was stunned by how big it was. I didn't realize it was the same size. Yeah, Kitty. It's a mess out here, isn't it? Yeah, Kitty. I need the fresh air right now. I got sick last night. Ugh. Hey, Charlie, are you my friend? Keep me company? I came out here to get some fresh air, and it was still dark out, and I heard a bird singing, even though it was still dark, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to sit out here until whenever, and I'm glad I did it, even though I'm exhausted and not very happy physically. Ugh. Are you listening to me, Charlie, when I talk? Okay. Time to go puke. Bye.